for me personally, they understand my work nature, they understand what I do, and they treat me with respect to that, because they know that if this person is missing classes, he's missing classes for a reason. And otherwise as well, they are, I think they are all wonderful people, and I think we have one of the best faculty that a media college has. And believe me, I've known quite a few. I know quite a few people from different media institutes, and I think we have one of the best faculty.
Kamil sir was always like, you need to improve your articles, you need to improve your articles, you have this to do, you have that to do. Then all the other mentors that I've had in all my 3 years, I had Sanchita ma'am, I had Pramod sir, I had Sukriti ma'am for a while, I had Tina ma'am this year. So each and everyone has been very important to me. And the biggest driving force is Bala ma'am. Bala ma'am, whenever she comes to my class, she has something to say to me. Either she is scolding me about something that I didn't do, or else she's making me do some of the more things.
Yashasvika ma'am, she's my class mentor, and I guess I'll just call her my life mentor as well. I mean, she has always been a guiding force in my life, and the best part about her is if I do something wrong, so she just don't come at me and say you did this wrong. She'll just let me, like, subtly tell me ki this is could be solved and you can do this differently, and just let me analyze it, think about it from take time and just understand it myself, and that is the best thing about her.
Teachers, I'd like to thank each and every teacher. I'd like to thank, like, I if I start counting now, I might miss some of the teachers, but still each and every teacher who sits in both those faculty rooms, they've been so important, they've been so pushing from the day one. I remember Deepika ma'am asking me if I wanted to take part into writing skills, and we had this list, who will take which subject, and there was just my name in the writing skills section. So from that very day, Deepika was like, no, if you are into writing, you will do writing, even if you are the only student.
And Kamil sir, he always motivates me, Bala ma'am, and Ritvik sir. I've learned audition software, like sitting alone with him, like learning things. DME gave me this platform to explore myself.